Hello, dear students. So, every week we are coming up with some concept based video, technical video related to costing, tax, accounts. But this time, last 1 week, I have got so many messages from the students. Ma'am, how to plan our studies? Exams are postponed. We had made the plan till May, and now the exams are in July. We are getting distracted. So, I thought talking to you all individually, let me make a video and I'll take you to a nice roller coaster, nice motivation and solution oriented motivation. So watch till end. To begin with, let me go and share with you some of my thoughts and talks which I have already discussed with many of the students. Yeah, okay. So you're already on a journey. Maybe many of you who are listening to this video, maybe in foundation, inter final, you're already in some track. But because of this quarantine and all, it's like somewhere we are locked, we are stopped. Tell me honestly, why there's a dilemma in your mind? Should I still continue CA or not? Why that negativity? Because around me I see one of my neighbor friend and her son, he has written the exam for medical entrance last year and could not qualify for the best of the colleges, though he qualified but not for the best of the colleges what he had aimed for, and he waited for the whole year. Again he's going to write and join. Same is I think the case for MBA. Like if you do MBA from anywhere, it's of no use. So if you really want, so if you're not getting a rank, people are waiting one whole year, writing the exam again, getting into the best colleges. So why that negativity that CA, at least CA is giving you 2 attempts in a year, CA exam. So hold on. If you really want the best, you need to go with the flow, with your journey, and you all are making your story. That's what I always say. Okay. And just take a thought that if you leave this, what is the second option? Because you are making your best career in the coming 5 years, 4 years, whatever is the time. Final students, another 1 year, you will add the degree in front of your name. So when you have carried yourself till here, why you want to leave, why that thought is coming in your mind. Okay, so be determined. This should be your choice, I feel, right? Most of the CA students are saying, ma'am, classes, articleship, homeworks, and studies, and like kgs of books. I'm not saying so many books, I'm saying kgs of books we are studying. This book, that book, scanner, references, then no time left for other things. Then pick up. This is the right time. This quarantine time has the right time to pick up at least a half an hour, 45 minutes for whatever best you like, be it cooking or painting or singing. Make a nice video on Smuse or that Star Maker. And have you seen, just at least just go to your neighbor around. If someone is having aloe vera tulsi plant, take up and see how that is growing. Enjoy being with nature. I feel this is what best and most of us are doing also, so enjoy that. Okay. This diagram, I use it in my class also. See, I have done my journey from 95 to 2000. And when we were students, we have studied VAT, mod VAT, excise duty. Then came service tax. And today, 20 years in the teaching experience, we have been teaching GST. Then, so you all have come till final level, at least those who are listening and they are in final. Just look back at your journey when you were in foundation and inter. Haven't you learned a lot? Huh? So learning is a part of your journey and it's never ending. After qualification also learning is going to be there. So you enjoy what time you are sparing learning. You do all the other things, but when you are learning, you have to love it and you should like it. It should be your passion. Then you can get the best out of it. And why the passion? Because you know that this is the future. I'm literally saying, however they say there's a saturation in CA and all, I'm literally saying one thing, my experience, that whether it is your friend circle or whether it is your social gathering or whether it is your building neighbors or anywhere in the society, when you move and when you say you are a chartered accountant, yes, heads are turning. So to add that degree, to add that word, you have to work hard, right or not? Okay. Along with this, there are many foundation or inter-level students who are having a good time now. Final students are already going through articleship. But so many times I have seen that the qualified students or semi-qualified students are lacking on the practical knowledge. When I say update yourself for banking process, I know below you, you are going to have a person who will go to bank and do RTGS and NIFT for you. But at least when you have to get work done from others, should you not learn how to do that work? Okay. So make sure that in this time you join some online courses, some good webinars, or at least see how. One thing I always say, little technical, suppose you see how an AGM is happening, you learn so much of law, so much of auditing, and when you read annual reports, it's like a three-in-one knowledge. Whatever you understand, whatever best you understand, it's not that the whole annual report will be clear to you. It's okay. Scroll it like a newspaper, spare time, and go through it. Because I'll tell you, once you enter the profession after qualifying your degree, you say you are a CA, done. It's a entry. Okay, you can come in. But with that, what is that special thing in you that I should appoint you in my company or I should give you this job? Tell me. Don't answer it to me. Ask yourself. So it's like your overall personality, your image, your communication skill, your knowledge about the practical subjects. You need to sharpen it every now and then. When we teach partnership deed, make sure that you read the partnership deed. If you have at home or in your father's office, if I was just teaching capital gain yesterday and I told to my students, have you seen why two agreements are prepared when you buy and sell properties? Have you talked with your family members how they have done this? So these are the things, if you link up the theory and the practical side, your academics and your personality both will be smart. And that's what is required in future. And one more thing, a fact I want to tell you, this is my personal view. This whole video is my view. I feel first is your parents and second is your teachers. These are the two people who are going to be your true mentors and who will give you knowledge. So take knowledge and make yourself very sharp when you go in the profession. Show your skills and grab the work, grab the highest post and work and manage the people. Then, so polish yourself in all the ways you can, right? One of my student, I got this motivation from my one of my student. He said he's in final now. He said in my apartment, one neighbor student, he has just completed 11th and is preparing for 12th board. So I said, come to me, I will teach you. It's like if feasible in this social distancing, come and I will teach you the some of the concepts of accounts which I know very well. See, it's not that you all are going to become teachers. What I mean to say is whatever is your core subject, important subject, go and help others. And look at this, what I've written here, I motive. When you are helping others, you're not doing any favor to them. It's that you are polishing and developing. You be before a teacher comes, if you have that guts to pick up the marker and write what the teacher has explained yesterday and let some of the absent students learn from you, that would be something very best, a value addition you're doing to yourself, to others. So in this time when we are not able to go outside, there is so many video calling apps are there. Use it and share your knowledge and stretch your hands. Tell them, okay, I'm very good at this, I will help you out. Do it, do it, do it, and do it with I motive. Why I should do nahi, you're doing it for yourself, right? One more thing back I would take here, why I'm saying that make your best subjects. In CA, you have 8 subjects to study, inter and final. Foundation, you have 4 subjects. Now, none of you normally cannot be expert in all the subjects. Okay. For example, like for me, law is 40-50 will get a bus. When it comes to accounts, 90, taxation, costing 80. That is my core subject. There are students who have got a very good flair in writing, auditing, and law. Can you get your own niche? Can you get what is my subject where I can score 80, 90? So somewhere if I end up getting 40, 45, I can get those 200 marks. which we need to pass. That's why I'm saying, just assess yourself. What is your best knowledge? It may not be that you like accounts. No, ma'am, but I'm very good in accounts and rectification of errors. I can explain to anyone. Do it. Do it. Right. Now, coming to some core, what you can say, subject related motivation. Huh? Normally, we say that children are innocent. I always feel in this CA journey, when I do counseling with students, with parents, I feel parents are innocent. Of course, they are your best well wishers, but they don't know the technicality of writing one group or two group, and how you should go on in your this journey. Can you take your decisions with your mentors, your teachers, your seniors, and give them that comfort? No, mama, I'm planning to write group one. I really remember one of my students, so intelligent she was. I used to say, you write both groups, you will get a rank. She said, no, I can do four subjects very well, and that is my strategy. I said, okay, go for it. I'm telling you, her result is she got 80 above in all the four subjects. If you do the total of her both groups, it's more than rank. Of course, she could not get the rank because she wrote one group at a time, but that was her strategy. So now you want to write both groups, you want to write one group, and somewhere you'll manage getting 40 to 45, somewhere you are preparing thoroughly to get 80. That is your own decision. You assess yourself, take your decision, and make your parents comfortable about how you want to go. Just because my parents said I'm writing two groups is not correct. Okay, so decide. Many of you have filled up the form for two group, and almost like so much of preparation is done till April. So still you have May, June, and July in the time. Okay, so decide for yourself, right? And that's why when I say parents are innocent, one more thing I had written, these are like, topics I have written so that I don't miss out on my talk. We need only 1% to change the mood. Have you observed this? It's not that I don't get angry and all, but just I'm sharing my experience, that how fast we can do it. That when one person is not in a good mood and they fight, this the whole atmosphere gets spoiled. Dear student, can you be the mood changer in your house? Yeah, you make a fixed study time, you help little bit your parents in the house core or in some other work, and you categorize your time, and you can do it best. You can do it best. It's, and I feel in today's time there's no problem of communication. You just communicate to your parents, I'll do this work at this time, done. Okay, so you be the mood changer and motivator in your house in this time, right? Okay. Then so much of thing I'm talking about planning. Then some of the students say, and it happens with me also, that I every Monday I make a plan that this week I have to make one or two videos. I have to prepare this material. I have to read this book. I have to talk with these many people. I have to blah blah blah, all this. And sometimes it happens that the circumstances are, ma'am, 20% we plan follow nahi hua. Then I'm telling you, the best way is, one side you write what you want to do, and very important, I want to read this word to word. If you can't plan and execute your own plan, then write for 1 week what you did. Literally, write it. At the end of the day, 3 hours I have watched a movie, 45 minutes I talked with friends, 2 hours I slept extra, whatever it is, write for 1 week. That will really hit your subconscious mind, and see then how you will understand yourself. Oh my God, I thought that I am on Facebook and WhatsApp for half an hour morning and evening. In fact, in afternoon also I did 45 minutes. So chalo, let us make a fix. So it is a very baby step you have to take to overcome and make your plan successful. I'm telling you, over the period I have done it, and I used to feel there's no time, I have to do so much. And then this is the way, that 1 or 2 weeks when I literally wrote ki what I actually did and why I can't complete my plan, then I came to know where are these time wasters. I call them time wasters, huh? So related to that also, I have made this, I want to share with all of you. These are like my punchlines which I write in my book also. Beware of the time wasters and learn the art of saying no. Sometimes you have to say no, that I will give you a call later, because when you're focused, you're doing something, you need to complete that, right? Never allow anything to distract you from your goal. You have the caliber to move ahead of all the distractions, right or not? See, I am telling you all this story, and I don't know, those who have studied with me in the class have said, okay, 95 when I was writing my CA inter attempt. Today is actually my sister's anniversary, 26th anniversary, and I could recollect that it was 12th of May, and I had shifted to my friend's house as if a guest coming from outside. I came for the wedding and I left. Listen, this is my story I'm telling to all of you. So after 10, 12 years of your qualification and your success, what story you want to say? Don't you want to say that in the quarantine time, I made it a point and I studied my best and I got that extraordinary result, right? Then go for it. Do it. करना है तो करना है, पढ़ना है तो पढ़ना है. This like hard determined story. This last punchline, I use it, I really want to talk about it. Empty your mind. Many students, including me, teacher, I'm not teacher, means actually we are also learning just 2 3 steps ahead of you, but still, like, it's learning is a continuous journey, as I said. I have literally felt when I tell to students, okay, chalo, let us study law या accounts. तो law accounts जैसे ही book खोलते हैं, oh, costing में I have to do that chapter. Oh, that problem didn't tally in the SFM. Okay, still pending in the maths work. So what is happening? So many other things go around in our mind to distract. Keep a diary. I'm literally saying, keep a diary and pen down to do. Okay, I have to do this, I have to do. And your mind is like a small kid, then explain it. Okay, now I am doing law and accounts. Next month, I'll be doing taxation and costing. This is how, and empty your mind so that when you study, you're focused. Make yourself comfortable, and whatever extra thoughts are coming, be it the smallest. Oh, I have to wish my friend birthday, happy birthday. Oh, I have to go to market. Make a list, note it down, and keep it. That diary will hold important memory for you, and your mind will be more clear for your studies. Now coming to core planning. Okay, yeah, one more thing I always say to students: whenever you study, you save your energy a lot, because there's a lot of linking in the subjects. Have you observed that all the accounting standards name you studied in foundation, in inter you have solved problems related accounting standards, in final, the final version of accounting standards, that is IFRS, Ind AS. So this is a continuous link. So at the base level, whatever concepts you are studying, you make it very perfect. Don't leave it for chance ki without this also I can go. Okay, right? Like just in the income tax also, how we do add and less in the business head, same as the add and less we do for math. Like that, there's so much interlinking of the subjects. Little technical I'm talking, if you can understand that. Bonus issue I was discussing in the capital gains yesterday, that's a very important topic in the law also, and accounting for bonus is there in accounts. So what more do you need? When you are studying the capital gain and taxation part, you keep open ke how the accounting is done and what is the section. If you link up and study, the quality of the study will be very, very high. Now coming to the planner, like last week, so many of them have asked me, how should we plan a subject? This is my strategy. I know some of my students, and I feel proud when I meet them as qualified CAs and they attend trainings with me as my colleagues. That is one of the proud moment for a teacher. So there are students who say that, no, ma'am, we are comfortable studying one subject at a time. But a general thing I'm sharing with all of you, pick up 2 core subjects a day. Suppose in accounts, you are doing amalgamation. In law, you are studying Companies Act. These are your 2 subjects for the day, and you have decided to finish the chapter from the book, then from your coaching book, from your compiler, study material of ICI. Then the fear in the mind of the students I have seen is, what about the other subjects, ma'am? Will I forget them? No. At the end of the day, in afternoon, when you are taking rest, Can you pick up what you are doing? I said you are doing accounts and law. Can you pick up one of the recent RTPs and study true and false of auditing? RTP is like something very interesting because it's in question answer form. So can you do some case laws of income tax, just 2 3 and leave it? Kuch RTP, so keep a touch with the subjects. Like in accounts and law also, can you spare half an hour to go to the business ad and just revise the ad in less format? Okay, this is how you have to say hi hello to at least 4 subjects, 2 core subjects and 2 light subjects. In detail, you have to decide how to do, and this is the best way. We are just motivating, and I'm giving a solution oriented motivation in this video, but I'm telling you the best motivation will come from inside, and not by just saying, by doing. Make a planner like this. This is what I have applied and told to so many students, and it really worked. Suppose this is for income tax I have made. Write all your chapters name. This is your study material. This is your compiler. This is other class material. RTPs like this. And when you put a genuine tick, ki business head study material problems are done. When you put a tick, this tick, that gives you a genuine confidence. So when you are sitting, you are studying quality, not haphazard. So spare time, it's not wrong. It's not a time waste to make a planner. At least you write all the subjects name, and in fact I have given you this one planner. Iske niche you should have page 2 wherein your subjects, and then RTP also, May 19, November 19, May 18. I'm literally tired. Some social gathering was there on Zoom, family function, whatever it was, and I'm tired, nothing to do. Can I pick up just May 2018's RTP and check some questions? Put a tick. When you put a tick, it genuinely increases your honest, genuine confidence. कहीं और से confidence लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Apply it, try it. It will work really wonderful for all of you. Okay? Yeah, and always there's a debate in our class for hard work and smart work. Ma'am, you are saying hard work, but we feel no, smart work. Both are essential. You have to decide what to do when it is your core preparation. There's no substitute for hard work, I'm telling you. You have to do study material, ICIs, past exam papers, study material ke piche ke questions, all you have to do. But when you are at learning stage, go slow. Once you complete learning and when you start solving problems, can you put a stopwatch? You should. I'm telling you how it will pinch that your first partnership problem, you have done it for 35 minutes. Write the duration 35 minutes. Then second, third problem 28, 24, 17 minutes. This is because you are writing the time, how much you took with all the presentation which you are going to do in the final exam. Okay. So the hard work is like, I will read it, what I always say to students. Time management cannot be expertise just in exam, but time management is to be done daily, every hour, every minute, every problem. Can you stretch and read one page extra, one problem extra? Then you have got the the core of becoming a CA. And yes, smart work is there. Chota sa dimag, so many subject, kgs of books. Can we use tags? You started with the study material and you finished till problem number 5. Tag, put it. Next time you are starting from problem number 5 tak done. You are starting from 6. Otherwise, I've seen students when they start studying at least 10-15 minutes to set 10 to decide ki kya karna kya hai. Are you getting? I'll make a separate video. I have got many experiences how and what you should prepare one day before exam. I'll make it separate. But now I'm putting, when you are solving your study material, can you write question number 3 same as 1, not to be done? Okay, check only 8th adjustment, most important, covering all the adjustment. Put on tags and put on, make it look nice for the second reading, easier. So this is the smart work, how you make your studies easy, right? Okay. So we have come to the end of this motivational video, along with some actual technicalities. I just can't talk only for motivation. I know one thing, that this extraordinary situation, see, I have written here, this is an extraordinary situation, but are you and I, are we not extraordinary prepared? So in this extraordinary situation, be positive, be determined. You all are making your story that in quarantine time, what best you did, how you studied. So extraordinary situation, extraordinary people will definitely bring extraordinary result. Okay? So lots of best wishes to all of you. If you think, if you believe, you can surely do it. You take motivation from us, but then it is your nature, your story. But don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Go ahead with the flow. That is important. Any more queries or any different view related to what I talked in this video, most welcome. Write it in the commenting section. And I'm making a lot of technical videos for accounts, taxation, costing. Any doubt if you have, this is our email ID, this is our contact. Do send me, message me, all your comments, all your suggestions, what more best video we can make for you all, dear students. The best will come to you. Wish you all very best. All the best to each one of you. I am also learning in this quarantine how to record and all. अब ये वीडियो बोल रहा है कि मुझे मोटिवेशन और कम लग रहा है, 100-200 ग्राम ऐड करो, बंद ही नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ, just 2 minutes. Okay, so here we are at the end of the video. Wish you all the best. Stay focused, stay positive. You are all in the best career, I'm telling you, and you will make wonders. God bless you. Lots of best wishes to all of you.